Toggl versus Clockify, which is better? Time tracking comparison. Hi guys, welcome to the channel, and for today's video, we will be doing comparison between these two known time tracking software, Toggl versus Clockify, and see which is better time tracking app to use. Time is very important, especially at work, and having time tracking apps can help you and your employees to focus on their work and avoid distraction and wasting time. So you must have a good time tracking app. So without further ado, let's dive in. I will be covering these two such apps. So first, Clockify is completely free to use and has all the essential features that you would want from a time tracking app, such as unlimited user, unlimited tracking, and unlimited project. While on the other hand, Toggl is a more advanced time tracking app with some bells and whistles, along with an advanced feature set and multiple pricing plans. But Toggl also have a free plan, but for free plan, it only good for 5 users, and like Clockify, it offers unlimited user. So now let's go ahead and check the design and user interface of these two software. Let me log in first to my account for both software, Clockify and Toggl. So let me go ahead and log in first on Toggl. And I will go ahead and also log in here on Clockify. So both Clockify and Toggl have done an excellent job of keeping their web and mobile app. Both have clean user interface, accessible and easy to use. Both software are almost identical for the web version, where you will find a timer at the top. This is on Toggl, and also here's on Clockify. And also for both platform, you can view recent time entries below here, and all the shortcuts neatly organized in the left sidebar. You can see here different tabs, and same with Toggl. You can quickly create a new entry and start the timer here on both software. That way you can focus on the work on hand without wasting too much time on the timer itself. Next is on Clockify, you have your calendar for weekly or daily activities and no options for monthly. While on Toggl, that is under reports and you can check monthly, weekly, or daily activities. Plus, you can also integrate your calendar on your Google Calendar, which is great. And on Toggl, you have your insight where you can monitor the project progress and also monitor your billable time. While on Clockify, this will be under dashboard. You can simply switch from project to billable here. And for reports, these two software are almost identical to each other, as you can see. And now let's go to manage features for project, team, and client. Creating clients, teams, and projects is again the same under both time tracker apps. Just select the correct option from the sidebar, for example, project, and go to add new project. What I like in Toggl is the fact that I could color code projects on Toggl. And it's the same on Clockify. You can also color code your project. And under team on Clockify, when you create a different team, you can only add your team name and working days. But on Toggl, you can provide the team name, you can give other admin access, and also you can set up different hourly rate for this team directly here, which is really good. On Clockify, you cannot add rate. You can also add rate, but not here on the team. You can add rate, but that will be under settings, and that's applied to all of the team. And also on Clockify, when you add project, you can only add projects and its name. But on Toggl, you can add projects, and Toggl also offer one additional feature here, which is task. You can use task to divide your projects further to organize your work in step by step. For example, you are working on a website project. In that case, task can be making a logo, icons, content, server optimization, and so on. Depends on your field of work, but can be very helpful. You can mark each task or project as billable or non-billable in both and select your preferred currency, and you can update or change the hourly rate directly from here. You can now assign this task to different members of the team and set a time estimate, which is basically a deadline. That also gives you a bird's eye view of who is working on and what and when each task is scheduled to finish. This is more useful, especially for teams. Then both software can also add tags. And now let's compare their pricing. So first is the Clockify is free. Yes, there is no charge whether you are individual or a company working with teams. It's still free with unlimited user, unlimited project, and unlimited tracking. That's the only features in free plan under Clockify. While on Toggl, there is also free plan, but only for up to 5 users, and it includes features such as time tracking, auto tracker, idle detection, Pomodoro timer, imports and exports file, and integration to over 100 plus apps or other software. In comparison to Clockify, you can also integrate to other apps or software, but it's just more than 50 apps or software. So Toggl free plan is only good for 5 user in comparison to Clockify offer unlimited user. However, Toggl offer more features on their free plan compared to Clockify. And here are the Toggl other plans starting from the cheapest, which is the starter plan for $10 per month, then premium for $20 per month, and they have enterprise to customize the features and the price. You may also get less 10% if you pay 1 year upfront. While on Clockify, their plans are basic plan for $4.99 per month, standard plan for $6.99, pro plan for $9.99 per month, and lastly, the enterprise for $14.99 per month. And you can also save up to 20% if you pay 1 year upfront here on Clockify. So overall, Clockify is a solid app and completely free with no ads. In comparison, Toggl offers some additional features which you may or may not need. It's a tough one as both the apps are well designed. Toggl is better for individuals as it offers some additional features, which is Clockify is still working on. And Clockify has a self-hosted version, but it's expensive. Toggl provides more control, but it's not feasible if you have a large number of users, and that can be costlier than Clockify. So you may go ahead and visit these two websites, clockify.me and toggl.com, for you to experience and explore their software. So I guess that's all for today's video, and if you have any question, just comment down below, and thank you for watching.